Mark Wright has given fans an update on his health after he had a 4.7-inch tumor removed from under his armpit, admitting it was a scary time. The TV presenter first spoke of his cancer scare in December and even shared snaps of his operation to encourage others to get checked. 4. Mark Wright said he was scared waiting for the results of his lump biopsy after it was removed. Credit, Splash News. 4. The star shared a shot of him shirtless with the lump clearly visible in DecemberCredit, Instagram, Mark Wright. Reflecting on his health woes 2 months on, Mark told the Mirror he was plagued by anxiety waiting for the results of the lump, but is feeling much better now knowing it wasn't cancerous. He shared, "It was frightening at first. They couldn't tell me if it was a lipoma, a fatty, soft tissue lump that grows under the skin. Even after ultrasound scans and MRIs and stuff, they still couldn't tell me. It just was so big, and it was growing quite fast, so that's what was worrying for me. Instead of doing a biopsy, they whipped it out and then I got the results about a week later and found out it wasn't cancer. So it was scary up until that point, then I felt so much better." Just before Christmas, Mark revealed that the lump wasn't cancerous and said how lucky he felt getting the all clear. The former TOWIE star said, "I got the all clear the other day, it's cancer-free. It's in the past, we move on. I feel so lucky. I've had the worry and anxiety of what this could have been." Mark, who is married to our girl star Michelle Keegan, 34, added, "I'm not gonna lie, it really gave me and my family a scare." Going back to this operation, I have not been able to train for 2 weeks. This is the first longish walk I have been on since the operation, so the first bit of exercise I have been able to do and honestly just already my head is clear, he added. "I've had the worry and the anxiety of what this could have been and from staying in and recovering leaving me feeling a little bit low and not very motivated." In December, Mark explained to his Instagram followers that he found the lump in his breast/armpit area and was told not to worry, but returned to medics when it started to grow. At the time, the star shared a topless picture of himself that showed the lump on his body alongside a shot of the tumor measuring 12 centimeters beside a ruler. Last month, Mark's mom Carol revealed she was terrified he had cancer during an appearance on Loose Women. Speaking of his operation, the 62-year-old said, "It had been there for a while and we didn't worry about it because my husband's also got the same lump, but much smaller. And then it started to grow. When he started telling us it was growing we became a bit concerned. But the night before Mark went in for his operation Carol started thinking about the possible outcomes. She said, "It wasn't until the night before his op that I actually laid in bed with my husband and said, 'Say this is serious.' My husband reassured me and said, 'No, he's going to be fine.' That's the way he deals with things. And I laid awake that night thinking, what would we do if it is actually cancer? But thank God it wasn't." 4. Mark underwent an operation in December to remove the lump. Credit, Instagram, Mark Wright. 4. The star shared a picture of the tumor, which measured nearly 12 centimeters, 4.7 inches. Credit, Instagram.